Hi, everybody. Good morning. This is going to be your weekly update just to give you a quick run through of what's going on. And also, since we're on week 2, just to kind of make sure that you're finding everything that you need, that we can answer every question for you that you might actually have. So this is going to be your video for the week of September 12th to the 16th. I hope that you're figuring everything out, whether you are brick and mortar and this is just a single cyber class that you take, or whether you're full cyber. So here's what we've got going on this week. So our learning goal is going to be how companies use their resources. This is obviously your welcome video. And then we've got a couple different things going on here for today. So let me explain to you how this works. I will always give you a study guide before any assessment. The study guide is never for a grade, and it's always completely optional if you would like to do that. So it's just a little tool for you. Then you have your Unit 1 test. Your Unit 1 test is going to be open note for you. And then we're going to get started with Unit 2. Unit 2, the topic is economics. So we have our student outline, and I also have a little video in there for you that I kind of walked you through what's going on. And then we also have a law of supply video with questions. And that video is maybe 3 minutes long, and there are 3 or 4 questions that go along with that. And that can kind of give you an idea of approximately how much time that actually might take you. So I'm going to flip over to your Schoology class, just so we can make sure that everybody is all again set and ready to go. When we come in here for our class, just a quick reminder for you, we'll have all of your activities with your due dates over here on the right hand side. They're always going to be due at 2:15 on Friday, unless I goof up, which I see one that I goofed up on. Also, quick reminder for you that you'll be able to navigate through this with all of the weeks that we've done so far and where we are. So you'll be able to see all of those things right in here. And then your class is going to be organized by week. And then here is your Module 2 week of September 12th to the 16th. And all of your stuff is going to be right in here. If you have any questions for me, please make sure that you reach out. For those of you that are in school during the day at East High School, please stop by. I'd love to meet you because it's such a funny thing to do a cyber class. And other than that, I hope you guys are doing well. Reach out if you have any questions. Take care.